Welcome to the brand new range of Rustic Rose. This is our latest colour trend, and I have to say, very nice. I like this. Really, really pretty. So first of all, you have got your 4 little pots of glitter and also sequins in there, but look at those colours. Really, really pretty. From your greens to your pinks, they are spectacular. You've then got your micro spray. So as you can see, let me give it a good old jiggle. In your there, you have got all that gorgeous colour. So that's your Aspen Gold. It's a very subtle gold, that one is. You've then got your beautiful glacier paste. Now, I probably shouldn't open them, but you know what? There's nobody here. Nobody will know. I mean, just look at that. The colours in it are beautiful. Use it through your stencils and all those different mediums. Beautiful colour that one is. We just put the lid on. Then we've got all the Nouveau drops. So starting here, we've got your stone drops. So that's the one that's got the sand in, that lovely texture. And that one there is, oh, where's the colour? Rosebud Pink. I remember having a doll called Rosebud. We've then got that beautiful one there. So that is your Heritage Rose. That one there is your Pearl Finish. You've then got your translucent. Your translucent is Peach Sorbet. You've then got your Dream Drops. So that is Enchanted Elixir. Lovely. I love the names. We've then got your shimmer powders. Absolutely beautiful. So that there is Jade Fountain. Then we've got, oh, let's give it a shake. So remember, this is the same ink that goes into your shimmer pens, yeah? So this is your sparkle spray, so little of that goes a long, long way. Then we have got, it's endless, absolutely endless. We've then got the embellishment mousses. So we've got a traditional embellishment mousse. So this is the one that you can make into like your water paints, your spritzers, through your stencils. So this one is mint tea. We've then got an expanding one, and I have to say, beautiful natural cotton. It's not white, it's not cream, it's got that real subtle pearly finish in that one. And then last but not least, we have got your paper stock. So you do get your 12 by 12s, but rather than look through the 12 by 12s, I'll show you the little books, because you get the 2 little books as well. So starting with your individual, you have got that beautiful colour in there, and let's have a look what that one's called. That's bubblegum pink, yeah? So you've got your bubblegum. You have then got that gorgeous subtle embossed rose in that one, and that's called your Sage Roses. We've then got, nice, we've then got our glitter card. Now that is called Pink Frosting in that collection. Beautiful. And then rose gold. You know I love a rose gold. This is your craft card, but you've got all that rose gold on there. Beautiful. Then you've got your other book, and this is your patterned papers. Yeah, so in here it's a 6x6 pad, and you've got 8 different designs, but they're all double-sided. So you've got your pinks in there. Let's get to the next one. Got your peaches in there. You can see these chevrons. You've then coming across, you've got your candy stripes, and then your other design here. Oh, let's just flick that so you can see the other side as well. You've got that beautiful stripe on one side, and then that other one there as well. An absolutely amazing collection, whether you're using your 6x6s, whether you are using the 12 by 12s alongside all your different mediums. Oh, you're going to be in a world of heaven with all that sparkle.